Hello everyone, welcome to day 100 of a Stitch A Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet the thick Marguerite stitch. This is just a modified version of the star stitch. So to start off, we are going to crochet a row of single crochet stitches. You can choose to crochet any odd number that you want. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead with the foundation single crochet row. And for this swatch, I'm going to make about 9 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So here I have 9 single crochet stitches. If you do not know how to make the foundation single crochet, you can just crochet a even number of chains and make a odd number of single crochets with that. Okay, just like the star stitch, we are going to chain 3 and turn our work. Now yarn over, insert into the second loop and pull out a loop. Again yarn over, insert into the third one, pull out a loop. Again yarn over, insert into the first single crochet, pull out a loop. Yarn over, insert into the second single crochet and pull out a loop. Altogether you will have 11 loops. You have to yarn over and pull out of all 11 loops. And you have to chain 1 to close your stitch. Okay, so now just like the star stitch, this one also has an eye, and all these stitches are called the post, and the bottom of the post are called the foot of the post. Now again yarn over, go into the eye, pull out a loop, yarn over, go in between the post, pull out a loop, yarn over again, go into the foot of the post, pull out a loop, and yarn over, insert into the next 2 chains and pull out a loop from each. Okay, now yarn over and pull out of all the 11 loops. Chain 1 to close your star. You're going to continue this till the end of the row. So make sure you yarn over after each loop. Okay, yarn over, insert into the post, yarn over, insert into the foot of the post, yarn over, insert into the next stitch, and yarn over, insert into the next stitch. That completes our star. Again yarn over, pull out of all 11 loops and close the stitch. Now this is the last one. You have 2 chains here, 1 and 2. You're going to do the last thick Marguerite stitch into those 2 as well. Make sure to pull the chain tightly, otherwise you're going to end up with holes in between. So that completes row 1 of a thick Marguerite stitch. Row 2 is quite simple. You need not chain 1. Directly turn your work and make 2 single crochet into the eye of the star stitch. Okay, I'm going to tighten the chain a bit. Just directly insert into the eye, make one single crochet, again one more single crochet into the eye. You're going to continue this till the end of the row. So once you reach the end of the work, you'll have the turning chain here, into which again you're going to make one single crochet. That completes our row 2. Again row 3, you start with the chain 3 and repeat the process. So this is the thick Marguerite stitch. Do try out the stitch, and if you have any doubts you can leave it in the comment section below, or you can directly reach us out on our Instagram page as well. Hope you like the stitch, and I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet pattern. Thank you.